Oh, yeah.
Right. Right. So we want
I did not get it.
How much they weigh?
100.
They
But
weigh 100
how
pounds?
can a static, what? How can a static increase?
We're going to turn it.
Yeah, because you increase
we don't
during
do it.
treatment.
It's telling us to do it. So we're
Okay.
going to start them at 80.
Uh-huh.
Let a few minutes go by. We're going to come back,
Uh-huh.
and we're going to turn it up. Let a few minutes go by, and we're going to come back, and we're going to turn it up until we get to 100. Because we need to separate either vertebrae from vertebrae because bone is on bone or bone is on nerve. And in order to really be successful to get the pain going, we have to really give a good stretch. Because we're not stretching only
So
muscle.
what's the number that we can increase? For
Half the body weight, whatever that number is. This was their half.
Okay.
I mean, this was their weight.
Okay.
Half is,
100.
so we have to get there by the end of today. 100 is half, right? Well, you know we started at 80.
So we already have to do the 80, but we
We're going
have
to start
to,
on 80.
we have to finish it at 100.
You got it. So that's half of the body
So
weight.
let's say we are,
But we're not going to start on 100 because that's too much to start.
okay, so let's say we have the calculation and everything and we start for 60 and the total weight is 80, it's 200. We will add another 40, a whole 40?
Okay, you said your start pounds was 60?
No, yes, yes.
I have to know what this was to have gotten here.
It was 200, the whole pound, the whole body weight is 200.
So if the body weight is 200, then in order to have started at 60, you subtracted 40 pounds.
No, don't do that.
I hear what
So
you're saying.
my question is, does it matter to look at the old calculation to go to the
As
half
long
of
as
the
you know,
body?
remember it's not going to be in the old calculation because we need to start, this is picture number 1. So they just told you how much they weigh. After today, we're just increasing 5, 10 pounds.
Okay.
And we need to have a start time. All right, now, that person already had 100 pounds. They already had 100. But we still might have to go about 20 pounds because we got here, or we added this much because of what?
Friction.
Friction. So this is kind of almost the same as this. This is friction. So we might have to go to like 120 to be almost the same as that.
At the end of the
Mm-hmm. Because we have so much friction back there. Because we have a non-split table.
Yeah.
Right.
So non-splittable does not reduce friction.
It is
You
friction.
see friction?
It doesn't give me that smooth move. So since it doesn't give me the smooth move, I need to pull even harder.
Is it every non-split table you increase by 20 or where does the 20 come?
I would say at least if you're talking about doing static, at least do that 25% that you took off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that would be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least
Is
do that
it?
25%.
Is it to have that friction that we add 25%? Because during
Yeah, when you have the friction, you add the 25%. Otherwise, you don't need to add it.
Because when I took my note, I put non-splittable can reduce friction. So did I took it wrong or?
Yeah, non-split table gives you
It's
friction.
friction.
See, if I have a split,
There's no friction there. Please do the movement.
a split
Make
table
one annoying.
gives me a ride.
Huh?
It doesn't give me friction.
Doesn't give me friction. Because their weight is just, it's just riding on the
I don't
table.
know.
A non-split table, it's like you just dragging the skin across leather. So you really need to put some good pull in there.
So you having 25% over the regular weight to reduce the friction.
That and to compensate because you do have friction. Right, exactly.
Okay. Because
Yes.
of the friction,
Because you have
add
friction,
20.
I need to add more to still basically almost get the same outcome. All right, let's see. All right. So all of this was talking about static. Okay. Y'all got this?
Yes.
All right, we're going to take the same thing. Okay, we're going to say the same thing. But the person is now intermittent. Intermittent, stiffness, tightness, pain. So keep them same numbers. We ain't got to figure that out no more. All right? However, by the end of the first treatment on intermittent, where should my number be?
Isn't it the same?
85, 85, 83,
I
oh,
remember
85.
I remember that.
You have to add 5, between 5 to 10.
She said 5 to 10. You say
85.
85.
Yeah,
I say 85.
No more than 5. You say here by
Virgin.
5.
Virgin.
5.
We say
It's just 5.
I would say
85, 85.
5 to 10.
Maybe
For
83.
subsequent-
Even
for subsequent
go to
treatment.
33.
That's for subsequent treatment, not the first treatment.
Yeah. Go to first column where it says
Oh,
acute strain,
that's
strain,
true.
spasm, come down to pounds. Half the body weight minus 20, increase approximately 5 each.
Oh, yeah, session. I guess.
Yeah. So, by the end, where will
Should be 80.
80.
By the end,
80.
100.
100.
So
Yeah.
you added
Because we're not
of the session?
increasing.
No. Forget this. This is all the same for static or intermittent. By the end of intermittent, don't touch it.
So
You increase
it
next
can be
session.
each
Yeah.
session.
Each
Ah.
session. So in
I
the
said,
beginning of
see you later, hon. You got your button? Good.
So tomorrow
Intermittent.
I can.
Static. Hon, I'll be back in a few minutes.
And you increase.
Oh, static may increase.
Right.
Yeah.
Intermittent is tomorrow and.
Yeah.
So each, beside the first session, you increase in the beginning of the session.
No, you're just going to set it at the beginning. Oh, yeah, if you went to the next session. Yeah, so, now, okay, I hear what you're doing. All right, so that was this first treatment. If I'm second treatment, then
That would be 85.
85, 90, whatever. Okay.
90.
And then it
And
will
then just
stay.
take it on down.
Okay. It stays 85 into next session. Then
You
can-
got it. Don't touch it. Third treatment.
90.
But if you
The
have
patient, if the patient can
static,
tolerate.
static will be start pounds, ending pounds.
What if the patient does not tolerate increase?
For the third,
Yeah, we
for the
can't.
for the third
Yeah.
treatment, can we still use the second treatment for the third?
Yeah, so
If the patient,
okay, so let's say beginning treatment, let's say this static. So beginning pounds for first treatment, ending pounds. Whatever this is, start,
next session.
What are we going to add with?
I don't know, let's say that that was 80, 100,
100.
right?
Okay.
If it's static.
Uh-huh.
So second, we start 100.
I might be a little bit less aggressive now. I was real aggressive
110.
over here for the non-split table to get to the half, but yeah, I
110.
might go 5 to 10. Let's say go 10.
110.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Third.
110.
That it.
110.
True.
Breathing.
Okay. So you start.
So let me get this right. So after the first treatment, we
The
tried
light
to
bulb,
get
the
to
light
the
bulb.
middle
Of the body.
for the body.
For
And
static.
For
Second
static.
treatment,
Like
one
the
third
second
treatment.
treatment, we can add 5.
Yeah, we just aggressive the first time.
But the first time, we just go straight
Yeah,
to
we're
the
gonna
body.
beat you up the first time, then we hold off on you after that.
as in,
What was
what you
that?
hand the first
Because I was trying to understand and you said something else and it just, I was like, what? Yeah, what was that?
Sorry.
Okay. We good? I think
We are straight.
we're straight. All right, split table versus non-split table. All right, we talked about if you have a split table, then you don't have to add the pounds. If you have the non-split, then you will add the pounds. If I'm laying on my back,
What? Come again?
If you land on a split table,
Oh,
don't
we go
add
at
pins.
25%.
If you land on a non-split table,
Yeah.
add the pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I'm going to lay on this split table right here. What corresponds to the split?
The L4 and 5
L-
needs to be
L4 or 5. Anything else anatomically
The
could?
re, the great tubercle.
What is nipple when the patient is
No, that's
When it's prone, the belly button.
L4 or 5. Anything else atomically could, if I'm laying on my back, could correspond to L4 or 5.
The liver of the
Posterior,
iliac crest.
posterior iliac crest.
That's sometimes just
The who?
Oh, iliac.
or the iliac spine.
Iliac spine.
Can we say the imaginary line
Posterior
between the
iliac
two
spine.
iliac spines?
Nah, because that's not the same area. Yeah, that's lower.
Iliac spine.
Yeah, that's lower.
How do we know we just get this book next week? Look at this.
That's smart.
You sent me an email from that texting thing. I sent out an email.
Nothing. The PPP and the PPP.
That's it. Yeah.
The number is still there.
That's it.
Next is right here. Yeah. Well, because I know you take it. Okay. Okay, I'm getting ready to put this on. The patient.
Right now.
Where? How do I know it's on right?
The top pressure should be in the iliac spine or the L4.
Iliac.
I mean, iliac
Iliac
crest
Above.
above iliac crest. The top belt needs to be tight.
2.
The little
This stripe
thing
has to
there needs to
be.
be ischial
It should be.
curiosity.
One thing there.
Yeah,
The strap.
little
This
strap.
stripe.
Okay, good. I think that's good. All right. Spreader bar. What's it for?
What's spreader bar?
Spreader bar. If.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
What's it for?
Oh, for
It's
blood
for
people.
hooking.
People with
To
bleeding.
reduce friction if there's
Yeah, see, that's a better answer. That's a better answer. You can't say for blood people.
No, you can't. Like to get the wider angle to not.
All right. Talk about it.
It has to be
level
below
the
the
acromion system.
stand.
This strap.
Strap
South.
with the chrome.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then this one is the
The
8,
bottom
9,
strap.
The upper should be.
8, 9, and 10 of the
ribs.
the wedge.
The web.
Okay.
Yeah.
8, 9, and 10. Good.
The bottom one needs to be tight.
Bottom belt is the type.
Needs to be in the side, not over
The part.
Not a bustier. Yeah. Good.
I didn't know.
Anything else?
I don't know.
Upper one below the xiphoid process. Anything we want to do for,
yeah,
let's say, safety?
towel under
Towel,
over the
Under
sternum
the
dipole
buckle.
process
Under the
to
buckle.
reduce friction.
friction, anything else?
The tower should be
The puncturing of the skin.
Puncturing, so
to
pinching.
reduce pinching.
You don't want to be pinching. 'Cause these,
Oh, the towel?
no, just this. Like
Oh,
with the skin.
tension between
Yeah,
the
the
thing.
pinching. Yeah, you're good.
What was the question? I didn't understand that part.
They put the towel there.
Oh.
Yeah, for the friction, yes, but we don't want the pinching.
We call celiac crest.
Yeah.
The xiphoid process for
You say the top belt should be
This one.
below the xiphoid.
Xiphoid.
I know what it is.
Angle of pull,
0 to 10.
0 to 10. So we want to be closer to what for what?
Closer to 0 for HMP.
Closer to 0 for H&P. Good. Okay. Stiffness and tightness, second treatment, Matthew.
Intermittent.
Mood, intermittent, good. Angle,
what was the
Five.
depth? What's the depth?
stiffness and tightness.
Second
10.
treatment.
Angle
Okay,
and
do
degree
10.
10 degrees.
10, okay. Pounds? Oh, I'm sorry. They weigh 150.
150, that'll be
First treatment, split table.
69.
How much?
69.
Good Lord, that fast? I don't even know the answer. Let's see. 150.
For
Half
non-split,
that is 75.
Is it split or non-split?
Split. It's split.
You know,
Minus that is 65.
65. It's
65.
No, you close, you close. You go 65.
She said 65.
I said
Well, she
69.
but she was close.
She said 65.
Minus 3.
Minus
then she goes the outside.
20.
why is it 65?
It should be 60.
You should be, now you
No,
should be 75.
No.
Guys, wait. Oh yeah, I got it.
55.
55.
Second treatment, 5.
55.
Ah, 60. All right, let's go through that math.
Oh,
All right, first treatment,
75 minus 20.
minus 20 is,
That's 55 plus 5.
that first
Why
treatment.
minus 3?
Yeah.
Second treatment would be,
20%
Plus
of
5.
60.
Yeah.
now if
We're not
somebody
doing
gave me 60
percentage
and somebody else gave me
for
65,
non-split.
it's the right answer.
how about 58?
For non-split, you're just dividing and adding and minusing.
Increase.
Oh, I see, yeah.
See, the first treatment is 150. The person is doing 150. You divide that by 2. That's 75 minus 20.
And that's why we have
Why
70.
That's-
is it minus 3?
Yes.
Because you have to minus pound. You have to minus 20 from
Wow.
Okay.
the half of the person's, weight.
20 minutes.
Okay, so you said 20 minutes. So the first treatment was 10 minutes, and the second treatment was 20 minutes.
No, well, I would say
No.
15 to 13 to 15.
I'm just going by what
He
you
said
said.
10 minutes up to 25. And
Right, but-
increase by 3 to, oh.
Yeah.
5 minutes per second. Let's
So how much second treatment?
I said 15.
15. Okay, good.
This calculation is going to kill me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
It's
I
good.
need, how did you get 55? Why did you subtract?
Okay. So anytime you get a question that says third treatment, fourth treatment, second treatment, whatever, just always take it from the beginning. So always ask from the beginning and then add. Okay, so first treatment, 150, half of that, 75,
minus 20.
We have 55.
minus 20.
Why do you minus 20?
That's
Because
the
we always
formula.
minus-
That's the
we always
formula.
minus 20 half the body weight for all conditions.
I thought it was 20%.
It doesn't matter. if
No,
it's
it's for
seven or
this. The non-split
You
is
always
when
do
you
We do a
add
non-split, but it doesn't matter whether it's split or not. We
Yeah,
always
it's
want to
like
take
a
off that
non-
20
20.
pounds and then start the treatment from there.
No, she's talking about the 25%.
The percent, that's what, like,
She's talking about the
You see, I still did the
25%.
same thing here. This is a split table, that's a non-split table. We
She's
still
cool.
started with 80. And then we added the percentage for the first, but we're only dealing with today, we're dealing with a split.
She's just confused. I know she
She's
knows.
confused about the
She's just
25%
confused.
of
I'm
the
confused
split.
about, like, up there we did 25%.
Because it
Now,
was non-split.
yes, that's for
You good or
non-split.
no? You know why we do it for non-split?
Yeah, because of friction.
Right, so,
Good.
but here, so in order to get to the non-split number for the first treatment, we'll do half,
That's the formula.
minus 20. If we're doing a split table, stay.
Okay.
If we're doing a non-split table, keep taking it further. And there is your first treatment number if it's a non-split table. And then we kind of progress from there. So let's say I said this was what it was for the second treatment for this patient. Then I know that we have to do this. That will be my first treatment number. Because I added during the
That's your
treatment. Then my second treatment number would be
120.
My starter.
Yeah. That's static.
To start with
Just remember, anytime you ask for a treatment for static, you have to finish the treatment. So if I say, well, what are the pounds you're going to give for this person for the first treatment? I'm going to give them 100 to 120 pounds. Static. What are you going to give for this intermittent treatment for this person? I'm going to give 80
To 80.
80 pounds.
And then add 5 in the next session.
Right. Second treatment.
85.
85.
To 85.
Right.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, so let's say I hear where you're going. This is static. This is intermittent. Second treatment for this person. Second treatment for this person. Okay? First treatment for static is 80
And
to 100. Second treatment would be
100.
100 to something.
Whatever.
105, 110. Okay. All right, so second treatment is 100 to 105, 110. That's the answer for static split. Intermittent, non-split, second treatment.
105.
That'll be 105.
105.
Okay, let's see.
We'll start with
All right, so 200, because we're looking at second. 200 minus 100 is half. Then we get to minus 20, you get to 80. Boom. Okay, we're going to have some sort of friction at 25%. First treatment to the end of the first treatment is no change in number. Second treatment
105.
or 110.
For intermittent? Don't you add only 5 pounds?
Yeah, he
That's
said
actually
all.
gonna be confusing that 110.
Or 110. He said all.
5 every season, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's just say that.
105.
And look at it, these look almost the same.
Yeah.
But remember, this is static. This is intermittent. This is split. That's non-split. Try to really bring it in there.
So,
Okay.
Well,
I
look.
have a question. With the non-split intermittent, we have to do intermittent and non-splitable. Are we going to increase it? Not
You're going to add the 25%.
okay.
Leave that number to the end. Next session, add 5. If it was static, add your 25%. Start. Increase. Next session, take that increased number. Start. Increase.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
I was looking at the table. What does 30 to 60 seconds step mean?
That means, y'all got that?
Maybe.
Okay. Patient weighs. No, let's say we're going to pull 60 pounds, make it easy. That's what we're going to pull. All right? 30 seconds on the first pull gives me 20 pounds. Another 30 seconds on the second pull gives me 40 pounds. Another 30 seconds until the end gives me 60 pounds. Static.
So in the 3 steps.
And the 3 steps. Now, 3 steps intermittent, same pound.
0 to 20.
We can do 30 seconds or 40 seconds, but you can do that. 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 40 seconds on, 10 seconds intermittent. 60. 60. 60. 60.
Oh, okay.
You know that.
But wait. The bottom, sorry. The bottom line, isn't that supposed to be only the half of the body, not 0?
Oh, okay, you can go, I hear you go, 60, 30. Good.
You can start at 30, is that what you mean?
No. It would be 0 to, is it 20.
20
That's 40.
Then it'll come down
to
a little
10.
bit. It'll probably go back to 0 because it won't even register until 30 comes into place. Then it'll go up to 40, 30,
Oh,
60, 30.
Because it's
60.
based up on the final number.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Good, good, good.
so, yeah, how do you want to
I was just making up a pounds that the person might end up with. It could have been 80. Hmm?
What more? Is it third or fourth?
They really
I
don't
don't know
know.
what it calls, but I know it's from the technical.
Yeah.
Which is friction, so the stress cannot, you know, to have a wider
All right, I
angle.
have 4 steps. For example, patient weighs,
What are you laughing
and I'm gonna give him 80
at?
pounds.
Laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? No. Are you laughing at me?
Where you see that?
30 seconds. 20 pounds.
Abina.
30 more seconds. Another 20 pounds. That puts me at 40 pounds.
Are we gonna have like this kind of graph?
No.
All right. In the test.
That even. Step 3,
Don't forget about
60 pounds. Another 30 seconds. Now we're up to 80 pounds for the rest of the treatment. If I did 4. If I did 4.
So you just have to divide it by the steps that you already have.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Now let's. Now we got this down. Let's see if we can.
Teacher, I have another question.
Go ahead.
Do we have to do page 9 and 10 too?
No, that's lecture.
Do we have a lecture for traction?
We don't.
We don't.
For which
All right.
one?
So your patient. Let's see. Make it easy. Your patient is 120
Eh?
pounds.
9 and 10.
They have stiffness at low back. They are on a split
Yeah.
table.
Page 9. Get more information for this one.
This is the 3rd
Treatment.
treatment
Of what?
of traction.
I mean, what's the diagnosis? Just
Stiffness at low back. So I want the mode, the angle, the time, the pound, the time.
Will you give us some time, or do you want it now?
Now.
And then
Use a split table.
whole time, rest. Time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we need some on every line. Get this up, thank you, Rev.
Really? Yes, we use what? We use
See, before I was saying intermittent or static. Now I'm pushing it a little bit more and saying, okay, now you need to think about it.
120 pounds, is this the total pound or the pound we're working?
You said
Is
the person
with
the person with 120
Okay.
and his third treatment.
Yeah.
split
So
table?
we are having
Split table,
like
you got it.
10.
You found it?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, wow, that's good.
Wait.
Wait, hold on. Now make sure you have some on every line. On every line. Uh-oh. Somebody popping.
Regina.
Somebody popping.
Regina, leave it, no? Continue.
Angle. Done.
I'm done too. I was done before, but I was quick.
Yeah.
That's done. A couple more people still rolling.
Go, did you not teach? Go, did you not? So, when is here, we only do -20, and I don't think what is the understanding.
Well, mine is
Because
120
it's
divided
less
by
aggressive.
2 minus 20. Should be 50. May I go?
You're really going to find out how much pain they have at the chronic stage. I'm going to be real careful
So,
and take off a lot of pounds. At the chronic stage, I might not even have
Because
to
the
take off
start treatment
20. I
is
could
40,
take off
but
10.
I had 10. Because the start
Yeah,
treatment.
right. I don't have to be that hard, you know.
Okay. Because you want to start harsh and
Yeah.
and
Who else still
finish it
rolling?
with a smile.
Might need some more time.
Make them
You
not
good?
see that thing forward.
All right.
Make sure not.
I'll get this down. I think you're ready. Okay. Mode.
Intermediate
Intermittent. All right. Why?
because it's stiffness. Stiff.
Stiffness of the
Muscle.
muscle.
Good. All right, good. Angle.
10.
10. Could have said 8, 5,
Yeah.
10 degrees. Good. Pound.
50.
55.
50.
50.
50.
50.
It's 50.
Third, right?
It's third. You have to add 5 seconds, and the third you add 5. That means you're adding total of 10.
Hold on.
Okay, it
He's
might not be.
wrong.
I'm going to come back to that because that takes math. I'm going to come back to that.
Yeah.
Wrong.
It's 40, but you have to add 10 because it's thought treatment.
Put 105 to 110.
Yeah.
No.
I don't want you to give a range. I want you to give a number. So he gave one number, y'all gave a number.
Yeah,
We're
then
gonna
you
find
add
out.
10. 5, 5.
First treatment is
We're going to come back to
second
that.
treatment is 45. The third
Oh, yeah.
50.
Time is 15.
All right, somebody said 18.
15 to 18. I put 15.
15.
18.
I made a range from 15 to 18. The first treatment
You guys are married.
So you said 10, 15, 20.
No, you increase by 3.
So the first should be like,
I wouldn't say
I don't even
10,
see
15,
mine
and 20 is wrong. I would say that
too much. 20.
Well, if you have about 10 treatments, you're going to finish that.
right.
And you need to be paid.
I would say probably 10, 12,
14.
15, or something. Just for unit prices.
Yeah.
Unit, you know.
Yeah.
Not that it's wrong. It's
5
still right.
minutes.
Yeah.
50.
The one you should do progressive.
What's that?
5.
5 minutes?
No, I put
You're not going to be
You said
paid.
8 minutes. That's what you said.
because I don't want
All
to
right.
be paid.
Whole time.
40.
40.
40.
Second.
Okay.
And 10.
10.
10.
Good. Now we're going to go back to these pounds. All right. So patient weighs 120.
I don't get that.
All right. Half of that is
60
60.
minus 20.
20.
20 is
40.
40. First
Treatment.
Second treatment.
Will be
Second treatment
45.
is
45.
45.
The third will be 50.
50. Now,
Or 48.
he could have did 50, 55.
Yeah.
Is that what you did or something like that?
No, I was like fast and I got.
He thought
still
it was
right.
3.
He's
Yeah.
still right.
Why?
Because you can do 5 to 10
5
pounds.
to 10 to 10 pounds.
Ah,
Yeah, you can.
But I don't want to think that way because I don't want to be confused because I'm already confused.
All right.
well, everything that you just said just confused me because I don't know what you said.
Because I'm already confused. Okay. Let's do one more. I think you'd be right. Patient weighs
This one.
130 pounds.
One more page.
Oh, calculation. Maybe I took it out so far.
You won't be able to do this on the board. HNP, non-split table.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought that you love us. You thought you
See, I do love you because you're here. Look who's not here. And have a quiz tomorrow.
trying to get ready for now.
And let's say it is the second treatment. Put something on every line. Y'all get these two down, y'all good.
Okay.
I think you're good.
Good for tomorrow.
I really think you should.
Okay, Mo.
You ready already?
No, no.
Yeah, that's too fast.
Maximum.
The calculation, I was.
But this has trouble with the percentage of 25%.
That's third treatment.
Here's the best way to do 25%. Divide the number by
By
2,
4 times.
By
and then
2.
divide it by 2 again.
Oh, like
So divided by 2 and then divided by 2.
Again.
And then add the thing,
And then that'll give you
I
25%.
guess.
For example,
Yeah.
let's say you had 80.
right?
15,
Divided by 2.
56,
It's 40.
45.
Divided by 2.
20.
There you go.
And then you add 20.
Add the 20 to it. There you go. Boom. So just do it twice.
You got it. 65. On treatment. You get him up to $65. You got it. No, half of it.
Ready.
Then the 25%, yeah, divided by 4. 16.
What was that?
Plus
Like we see the bubbles.
65.
We see the bubbles.
That will be 181.
It happens, like, you know, those when you come, like, come moving, like, the lights, it's just.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And about 16 plus 25.
You still? All right, I'll ask another question while they still roll. All right, so when am I going to split the table?
At the beginning.
Oh, no. In
At the rest time of the
in
third.
the rest time.
Of the
last-
Of the last
Last step.
When you get to maximum, right?
Of the
The
last
rest time of the last step. Anybody else?
Is that it? No, I'm wrong.
Or the last step before the maximum
No.
thing.
At the rest time of the last step.
Step.
Easy.
You agree?
Oh, static goes
Finito.
1, 2, 3.
It
C'est
does.
fini.
When you get to the maximum.
When you get to the match,
It might even go 1, 2, 3,
I would
4.
say
No,
at
it's
the
the beginning
beginning.
of the.
I told you.
Oh, yeah. That's
That's for HMP.
There is no rest.
HMP is at the beginning. Oh.
There's
no rest time.
There is no rest.
no rest time.
Ah,
I
see.
know, right?
I still want the rest.
But what about if it was if it was intermittent,
At the rest.
then on the
Rest
rest
time.
after the last.
Yes.
We are too smart. That's what we get.
Yes, I
You good?
agree.
I know.
You good, Bo?
Yes.
We don't know.
Mode.
Static.
30.
Angle.
5. So I
Five.
will start
Five.
with 5.
5.
No, 3.
0. 5.
3.
3 is 2. 5.
0. 2. They all look good. Okay, good. Skip the pound. Hold on.
Huh? 10 minutes.
This is the second treatment.
10 minutes.
10.
Okay, whole time.
No,
0, nothing.
Oh, now, see, you just
No,
asked me about this.
I
think
did.
You just asked me about this.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yes, you just asked me.
No old. No rest time.
But there's no rest time.
There's no rest time.
There's a whole time, but
There's
there's
a
no
whole
rest time.
time, but there's.
Oh, okay.
30 to 66. So when you say
So,
the whole time, do we
30
write 30
seconds.
Just 30 seconds?
Right.
Can put 40 seconds.
or 40 seconds,
Oh, it's
or
between
50
30
seconds, or 55 seconds, or 60 seconds.
Wait.
But there's no rest.
There's
Remember?
no rest. but they
Khadija,
hold-
Oh,
Khadija.
it's only hold.
It ain't coming down, it's going up.
Yeah.
And you? What, Polly? Yeah.
Good. All right, let's go back to that. Y'all doing this?
Yes.
The parents.
All right, pound.
70.
67.
60,
No, 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 no.
65.
130. We got to take it from elementary school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please, please.
130 half is
65.
65.
Minus 20.
Khadija, how do we come up with 20? Oh, minus 20, I'm sorry. 55, 45?
45.
45. Khadija, how do we come up with 25%?
Oh, we just divide the 45 of 2 and then we divide the whatever is divided already by 2.
Make it real simple. So,
X over 100.
so 45 divided by 2 is what?
22.
22 divided by 2 is what?
11.
All right, so then what's the number? 45? Yes.
No.
Oh, 60, 66.
But the real number is 22.5.
No.
Oh, 22.5?
Yeah.
22.5.
Yeah,
So it's
divide
23.
22.5 by 2, you get
11.
11.5. So we'll just take 11.
I got 67.
Oh, okay.
That's good, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So 11. Okay, and the
I just rounded up to 57 though.
56. No, you can't do that.
Can we?
That wouldn't
You
be
can't
because
take it to
if you did
57.
that, what is that, 56?
Yeah.
56.
56.
That wouldn't round
To
it.
57.
Can somebody
That
round
would,
it? Can
0.25 wouldn't round it though.
No.
Can I use 12?
Oh,
No,
0.25
you
won't
can't.
round it, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it wouldn't
yeah.
round it though
So-
because you
If
had
it is
22 and a half
0.5.
and then you did another half,
11.25.
20.25,
Yeah.
so that wouldn't round it. No.
So 56 is
So really, it's just 50 because you can't put in 0.25 in the machine.
Yeah, let's make it simple, please.
So after all that talking, that was just
The
the
first
start.
treatment.
Yeah.
However,
By the end, you have to get to 65.
Oh, it's second treatment.
so we want to get to
65.
65.
65, huh?
65.
65.
65.
65
Pounds.
pounds. So all of this is the first treatment. So second treatment is 65 to
70.
70.
What?
65.
So why do we go right down there when we can just take 65?
So you add
Okay.
9 pounds or what?
Because it won't, that's what it will be on a non-split table.
But I can.
Let's say we had, I hear where you're going, Regina. Most of the time you're going to have a split table. I hear where you're going. Let me show you. 130, half is 65,
Minus 20.
minus 20 is
45.
45.
45. And we're going to take 45 up to,
To 60.
Um,
To 60.
you're right. Who did just say 65? Yeah. So it'll be 45 to 65 or
Yeah,
whatever.
is that where the split table?
Huh?
Is that where the split table?
yes, that.
Yeah.
That was a split. So either way it's going to 65. But you need your beginning number. That's what it is.
Yeah.
You need your beginning number. So you might know that this is the that beginning number. Well, no, this wasn't even the beginning number because the beginning number was
Well, 65.
65 to
Still
70 was the-
66, 65.
Are we
That
gonna
was the
have
first
this
treatment.
kind of?
Yeah, the
No,
65.
that's the second. We do it.
What was the first treatment?
No,
It's the first
Should be
treatment
56, the first
The
one.
first treatment is 56.
56.
Then we
pounds.
increase to
yeah, we increased to
Since-
60.
since
Oh,
we
so
started.
56 to 65.
Yeah.
65.
Right. And then
65 to
70
70.
to 70. So we kind of need it in order to know what the range is.
How many pounds do you have to make it 65?
It doesn't matter.
56. You have 10.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
We
matter.
just
You
want
just
the
have
half.
to go back to half pound.
We just want the half
That's
by
the thing.
because first treatment we went to half the body weight, which was 200. So we're more aggressive
You just
here,
have to go back to half
Okay.
pound.
less aggressive there. Yeah.
Even if it was 20 and the normal height was 100, you have to go back to 100.
At the second.
No, at the first. By the end of the just remember that you have to go back to half of it. You have to go back to half.
Yes, the first two. Can we do another crazy one like this?
Yes. This round.
Where is it?
What kind is it? 230? Yeah, you just add between 0 to 5 pounds.
I think you're going to get this one. You're going to get
Yes.
Patient weighs 175 pounds. It is,
Girl.
ooh, yeah. I don't know.